This is Himanshu, founder and CEO of GoTrust. Today we're going to talk about the Okay. Hello everyone, this is Himanshu, founder and CEO of GoTrust. Today we're going to talk about data governance. How we have designed it, what key features we have, and what is coming. No, that's the most important part. With our expert who is building the data governance platform. What we have done so far and what we're going to do so far, we're going to talk today. Now, Prashant, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Thanks, man. Thanks for being brave to be here on being live.
Yeah.
So today we're going to ask, why are we building data governance? First thing, very basic for everybody, please.
So we are building the data governance to fix the issues which companies face most of the time. They doesn't know about what the sensitive information they have, and they need to restrict that someone cannot access their private data or sensitive data other than they have the access only.
Fine, but again, once again, let's talk in more layman terms for our viewers.
Okay.
We are building governance. We were privacy platform. We are building like privacy platform and then governance layer, and then on top of it, we're building a security layer.
Yeah.
So if you look at the whole picture, you talked about helping customers, minimizing the data visibility, and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
Let's drill down to the security part of our data governance. What are the key features we have in that?
So if I talk about the security part, we have access control where we extract every information related to the access, who can access the data, who can view the data, who can share the data. This is the main part. Then we have what kind of sensitive information we have and across the whole organization, what data assets we have, what kind of sensitive information they contain, and who can access the data.
Okay.
So this is the main part which helps us to understand if the data is secure in terms of accessibility or not.
Okay. So two parts so far. So asset discovery, if I term it in the industry norms.
Yeah.
Second part is the data discovery, data classification, data mapping, and what more?
Other than that, we have the policies. These policies help us to understand what kind of rules and what kind of data we want to see or other people want to see. So we have to create these policies that will maintain the quality of data and the accessibility of the data, and other terms I would say who can share the data, sharing policies, so we can monitor these things.
So policy is also implemented now.
Yeah.
What happens after? How are we complying it? Do we have a remediation, compliancy? What are those features?
Okay, so if I talk about the compliances, then we have a lot of framework which we used in the data market right now. Let's suppose GDPR CCPA. So once the policy is created and I tagged with any framework, that policy will check if this particular policy data compliant with that particular framework or not. If doesn't compliant with that framework, it will violate it. Okay. And once it is violated, I can see the complete list of violations in my system. Which data is violating which policy.
So there is a violation view. So at least basically there is a whole complete view of how much you're compliant, not compliant, and then that is reflected back into the overall compliance dashboard. Okay, perfect. One more thing which I would love to ask, how effective is our DSPM? Because how many connectors we have, how far is the outreach towards the standard solutions which are available in the market?
Okay, so if I compare with the other solutions, the main thing and important thing we are doing is that we are not just showing the violations, we are also showing how you fix that violation in your system. That is the part of remediations. Okay. So I am also telling you that that's the problem in your system, but how will you fix that? I will also show you the steps. Even you can do the auto fix using my system. Once you click on that, my system will automatically fix.
How many connectors we have today? So how far will it? I know there are 20, 30, but how far will it today?
Yeah, we have 300 plus connectors right now.
Perfect. Thank you.